evening, everyone. This is Seb from BuyingOptionsProductReview.com. How is everyone doing today on the live webinar Thursday, 26th of January 2017? It is exactly now 6 o'clock in the evening, or just going into the evening period. A very, very precise start today. We have with us Ali, Benoit, Grant, Joanne, Nick, and Yuma. Thank you very much, guys, for attending. Let me just put my just need to put my phone on silent so no one disturbs me. There we go. Fantastic. Excellent. So here we all are. 6 of us. I'm very, very happy. I feel I'm going to do this as a regular now because I stopped doing webinars now in the morning because no one ever attends, and there's now 6 of you. So there's going to be 7 of us trading today. So those of you who are using Optionbot, here we go. OptionRobot is also open and ready to start using as well. Got the FX economic calendar up, and yes, I'm missing one tab. What tab is that? I will get it up now. That is not what I want to have up. 1 second, please. Take that off. Get this up. Where are they? Here they are, loading up now. Okay, guys, just loading up this page ever so quickly. That my computer going into lag mode. Okay, excellent. So, can everyone hear me? Yes. I finally managed to get my my internet all sorted out and everything like that, but I realised there is a slight delay that when I speak to when my voice is being projected out on the webinar. And so, yeah, depending on how good, guys, your internet connection is, will also determine on how good the quality is of the screen that you are seeing, which is, well, my screen, as you can see ahead of you. So, how's everyone been? Everyone been doing good? Okay, fantastic. I'm just waiting for, there we go, trade now. We just need the charts. That's all I'm going to use IQ Option for today, is just the charts, just so we can start placing a few trades. Now, I'm going to try and place a couple. I'm going to do a lot of explaining in this video, as there's a lot of newbies. There's a lot of new people in this webinar. So, guys, if you have any questions, don't forget you can always ask me. I'm an open book. Just let me get everything prepared. Here we go. So we have our chart here. We have an IQ Options chart, which is just here now, ready to have a look at and double check those real-time charts. We have Optionbot to follow it along with, also with the Optionbot Pro graphs. And guys, please remember, if you are watching this on YouTube, if you do want to get hold of any of these softwares, make sure you contact myself or Simon if you want to be part of the webinars. If you do not, you will not be a part of the webinars if you've already registered and deposited. Okay, guys, do not register and deposit until you speak with myself and Simon, or you will not be a part of the webinars. And guys, if you lot are watching the webinars, if you're here, you will know, if you watch my previous videos, that people do see a lot of success. So yeah, I'm very, very proud of that. And the webinars are free of charge as well, so even better. Okay, so let's begin. Okay, first thing we're going to do is have a look at the economic calendar, as it is just about to snap on the 7-year note auction. I don't actually know what that means because I haven't actually been paying attention to the live market today. I've been extremely busy, obviously. First quarter of the year, January, always very busy. So we just hit a US economic event. Okay, so we know that the USD is going to be fluctuating just a little bit. Wouldn't exactly say much, but there you go. Only a little tiny bit, as it was only a low. It was only a low event anyway. As you can see here, it's like Euro USD is on some sort of a rise. So if we check out another currency pair, see if we can identify a pattern. Euro USD is on a rise, so that means USD CAD should be on a downwards trend, which it is. Fantastic. Okay, so I need to get rid of that. Thank you. Now, okay, I have OptionRobot also open as well. IQ Options, USD CAD, Euro GBP. What's that? Browser is running slow. Download the app. Go away. AUD USD, Euro USD, GBP. I'm going to get rid of Euro GBP. There we go. There we go. Okay, fantastic. Okay, so we got first question of the day by Ben. I've never traded in my life. Could you start from the beginning? What to do on what websites? Okay, so looks like we're going to be literally scraping the barrel on this webinar. So Ben, never traded before. You are totally new to binary options. That's not a problem. That's what we're here for. We're all here to help each other. It's a shame that Tony's not here because Tony's usually good at predicting those 60-second trades, but I don't know where he is. So, starting from the beginning, what to do. Okay. So, first thing I'll easily recommend is to go in the description of this YouTube video when it is on YouTube in about an hour or so and click on the IQ Options link and open up yourself a demo account with IQ Options just so you can have these charts here in front of you. Okay, so, or you can go onto my website, which is binaryoptionspodreview.com, click on the search bar, go to IQ Options, and then open up a platform from there. Click on the link and then open up yourself a demo account. Don't worry, that's what I'm using as well. It's all live charts, by the way, guys. USD CAD's on a bit of a rise. And now what you're going to want to be doing is identifying some trends. Now, all depends if you want to use Optionbot Pro or OptionRobot. If you do want to use any of these guys, don't forget to get in touch. They're both 250 as well. Optionbot Pro is 250, Optionbot is 500. But on Optionbot Pro, you get the charts, you get the graphs and everything like that. You don't get the sniper trades. You don't get these. I have both of them intertwined because I paid for the full service back when it was called Trend Trader. Back when Keith had Option XC all running lively as well. So, let's continue. So, we're going to be identifying trends, Ben. So what this means is we're going to be finding nice, smooth upwards and downwards trends. And if we can, we might find even some counter trends. So when it starts flicking in the opposite direction, we whack on those trades that are going to be following the new direction it's going to take. For example, AUD USD, as you can see here, a nice cool upwards trend. And then it started going down again. So that means we would have gone in the reverse direction. So let's have a look. But actually, no, saying that, have a quick look. If we placed a trade there when that red candle was showing, if it started to drop, we place a put. By the time that 7th minute comes, it might have just been in the money. Okay. But anyway, let's go. So, Optionbot was going to be our first trade. USD CAD is now on the increase, but I've got Euro USD on there now, so that's the one currency pair I'm going to focus on at the moment. Where is it? There he is. Let me just move this over to the side. Looks like that's starting to slowly go into a neutral trend. But if we have a look here, yeah, it is, because that is really hard to decipher. So let's zoom that in. Looks like, yeah, a slow upwards trend. Not very many pips that are making it increase. There's no support and resistance there either. So, yeah, I'm going to be placing €90 trades on the Optionbot platform. I'm going to have a quick look on USD CAD. Okay, USD CAD's going down again. So I'm going to be placing a put trade, I think. I'm going to place a put trade on the OptionRobot anyway, as you can see here. So we're just going to let that expire. I'm going to sort of do one trade at a time because a lot of you said in your feedback that you want me to do one trade on one software and then one trade on the other. Not do one trade and then one trade because not everyone can sort of keep up. So that's absolutely fine. I'm going to just stick to doing USD CAD for a minute on this software. Then we're going to jump over to Optionbot, do one trade on there. Then we're going to be placing another trade on OptionRobot and so forth. So sorry, Ali, I did it on, what did Ali put? Don't place a trade yet, Ali, because 40 seconds has already gone now. So it was USD CAD. My apologies, though, for not making that clear, guys. I really do apologise. But don't worry, if you didn't place a trade, that's not a problem. Don't forget, if you just come here for the webinar to listen, take my advice, that's absolutely fine, guys. Obviously, when you guys go through my site, me and Simon, we really, really appreciate all of the support that we get. And that is in the money. That is, guys, first trade is in the money. Fantastic. That's one to write down. OptionRobot 1. One there. Okay. Fantastic. Okay, that's written down. Fantastic. Okay, so next trade. What's this? Okay, so look, as you can see, USD CAD did actually go down, which is funny enough. So guys, there you go. Okay, fantastic. Now I'm going to be placing on USD CAD on Optionbot. So okay. I need to go back on the graph. USD is going up, but let me have a quick peeks. Yeah, that is going up. Bloody hell. Jesus! Oh, I missed it. I don't think it's going to keep going up. If it does, I'm going to kill myself, but... I missed the trade. Look, even they all did it actually. In all fairness, they all did it. But I'm scared because. Okay, no, I just had to double check. So let me just have a quick look on the Optionbot chart. Let me just get rid of that. See, look, it's leveled off now, but I don't know if that's going to start dipping. I like to think of myself as I can see the future, but unfortunately I can't. Has that done it in the past? Okay, well I'm going to put a slightly risky call, I think, on the AUD USD. I don't really recommend that anyone follows me on this. But if you want to, it's up to you. But please do it at your own accord. But I'm going to place a call on AUD USD. So please do it at your own accord, guys. I'm not 120% on this. I reckon I'm more like 70%. But I'm only judging by what I've seen by previous trends. It is a stock market, so anything can happen. It is starting to rise, but we've still got a bit of time left anyway. We just don't want to see any more hammers or red candles. We want to keep seeing those greens. I'm stuttering now. There we go. We just want to keep seeing those greens. Oh, now they're all dipping. So what you'll find as well, things like AUD USD, GBP USD, and Euro USD all follow a very, very similar pattern. We just want to see what more of those green candles, hopefully. Oh, there's a green one. There's a green candle just sparked. Come on, just a little bit more. Just a little bit more, maybe? No. Okay. So we're at the money on one. Let me just mark that down a minute. Okay, so that's OBR for robot, OBP for pro. 1 in the money on OptionRobot, and 1 in the loss for Optionbot Pro. Okay. If anyone has any questions, by the way, don't forget you can ask me in your chat boxes. Yeah, there's a massive decrease right now. Fucking hell, there's so much fluctuation today. I like it. I kind of like it. Anyway, go on. I'm going to place a call, I think. Wait, hang on. No, say stop that. Stop. GBP USD, AUD USD is following a very, very similar pattern. AUD USD, I'm going to put a call on OptionRobot, and then I'm going to place a call on USD CAD on OptionBot Pro. I'm going to do 2 at the same time. All right, now we just got to wait. Fingers crossed. I know I said I wasn't going to do this, but I couldn't afford to lose that trend. That was really good. Seeing an increase in the USD CAD and then also in AUD USD was a pretty good shout out. Slightly risky, slightly above my normal risky rate, but we've got to have a bit of risk. Cannot have, if you don't have any risk, because you've always got to feed yourself. There's always a risk that you're going to lose. But if you put your mind at ease, you can do okay. Because you don't want to play scared, that's for sure. There we go. Fantastic. Excellent. And this one is also in the money. Excellent. What was I going to say? Ben, you were invited to this webinar. You were given 1 free entry to the webinar by Simon, because he said that you were going to get set up as long as you saw how the webinars are. So yeah, this is how the webinars are. They're usually in between 5 to 10 people during the webinar. There's 7 of us at the moment. It's totally free, like I stated earlier in all my videos. The webinar's always free. You can go back and check out my earlier webinars as well. The webinars are free of charge. You just have to go with me and Simon, because we get a commission to hold your spot in the webinar, and it's also to pay for the website, for the servers, for the license on the webinar. The webinar license costs me 500 quid every month to renew. So yeah. It's very expensive to hold a webinar, but might as well do them free of charge, because if you guys are already going to go for software through us, there's no point charging you for the webinars anyway. So yeah, free webinars, free. Wow, the USD currency pairs. I mean, look at this. I just want to keep an eye on AUD USD. So guys, we have. Let's have a look here. Let's have a look, because I'm looking here and we have now 2 wins in OptionRobot and 1 win in OptionBot. So we have 3 wins out of 4. That's pretty good. I like that a lot. Excellent. Okay, so if I want to start trading tomorrow, on what website do I have to sign in and how much should I deposit on each? Well, for example, that's something that you have to discuss. I can't speak now. That's something that you have to discuss, Ben, with Simon. Maybe you can do 250 on OptionBot Pro and 250 on OptionRobot if you want, like I've done. That's my balance on this one. This is my balance on this one. On my YouTube channel, if you go to my videos, if you scroll all the way down, I used to do OptionRobot back about, this is months ago now. Keep going. Keep going. Yeah, so 10 months ago I was doing OptionRobot as well. Then I stopped to go on to other softwares. But yeah, I kept doing OptionRobot ages ago. 11 months ago, was it? Yeah, 10 months ago. So there's a lot of things. There's a lot to do with this OptionRobot software. There's a lot on OptionBot as well. If you want to use both, fantastic. You can do what I'm doing. It means that you'll be able to trade on the webinars how I'm doing it as well. So it's up to you. But discuss it with Simon anyway. Don't go registering and depositing, Ben, by yourself, because then you won't get access to the webinars. Whatever you do. Okay, Barack has just joined us in the webinar. Welcome, Barack. Very nice to see you. I believe you're typing now, aren't you? Yeah, by the looks of it, it says you're typing. Hey, people. Very nice to see you, Barack. Very nice indeed. Hope you're well. Nice to see you back for the webinars. AUD/USD is on the drop. I'm going to be placing a put on AUD/USD on the OptionBot software. OptionRobot's Auto Trader. Now, I actually did a little video on that previously, so go back to my YouTube channel and have a look at that video. It's one of those things where you can't just leave it. You do not leave it on Auto Trader. It's impossible. Seriously, don't leave it on Auto Trader. Just sort of, you know, you do have to keep an eye on it. Can everyone still hear me? Yeah. I was wondering if everyone still hear me, because I think my mic's gone on the. Okay, thanks. Okay. All right, just making sure. Come on, we're in the money. We're in the money. No. Where you going? Where you going? Oh, come on. Drop. That's it. Go on, drop. Yes! Come on. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes, come on. Fantastic. There we go. So 5 trades, 4 in the money. That's not too bad, actually. Okay, yeah, it's perfect. Thanks for answering all my questions. No problem, Ben. Does anyone have any more questions? Anyone have any questions at all? So we placed 3 trades on OptionBot. We placed 2 on OptionRobot. This is absolutely fantastic. Okay, so, and guys, this is no like I'm not, you know, I'm not some guru. I don't claim to be some magical knowledgeable person. But all I'm doing is just doing simple trade and chart analysis. That's all this is. Just simple chart analysis. It's very simple, not complex. This is the way to do it. Now, are you going to do any more in OptionRobot? Yes, I am. My next trade is going to be in OptionRobot. Don't worry. In telling us US trades, if I trade with you at first only during the webinars, how much do you make per day with that strategy? Well, I only trade on the webinars because I've got way too much to do. I've still got to, you know, do work. I've still got to try and run this, you know, buying the options product with you. I've still got to do things with Simon. I've still got to do reviews. I've still got to write articles. my day is pretty much filled up with so much rubbish. I find it so hard to trade. So I like to trade during the webinars. So whenever I make money, I want people to make money alongside me. I'm doing €100 per trade. So far I've placed 5 trades, and it's about, what is it? So I've got, how much have I made today? Let's have a quick look on my calculator. So for example, I've done 5 trades. So there've been €100 trades. So 58 plus 58, plus 90 plus 90. Take away 100. No, because that's pure profit. So what am I doing? Yeah, because okay. But I did lose 1 trade, so take away 100. So for example, in this one trading session, I've made 196. I've just closed my phone. €196. But that is because I'm doing €100 trades, or an Optionbot's close to €100 trades. So when you're doing this, I would recommend everyone do maybe €10 trades, €25 trades. So if you're doing €25 trades, then you would earn obviously 1/4 of what I was earning. So you would probably make around, say, what, 50 quid by now? Oh, hang on. People are asking me questions. One sec. Tell me how I can change my IQ option graph into candles as I have lines. You go to IQ options, you go to bottom left, you go chart type, and you click candlesticks. Next question. Tell me how... Okay, I want to change my IQ option into candles. Yeah, just like I said, it's on the graph. You can change the settings at the bottom left of the chart. Yeah, there they are. Chart type, candlesticks. You can even do area. There you go. You can do line. You can do bars. You can do candlesticks. You can change any of them. Thank you, Ben, for saying that. IQ is the best chart to use for Optionbot. Well, technically speaking, Optionbot has its own chart. It's got Optionbot Pro has its own chart and graph. And yeah, you got Optionbot here. Those of you who have only got Optionbot and not the Optionbot Pro graph, okay, contact myself and Simon because we might be able to get you on board, but I think you have to open up another broker. I'm not actually too sure. I'm not 125% on that. But if you guys just want to use a free graph, just use IQ option. It's it's simple, it's easy, it's fantastic. Bubbly, 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 bub. Okay, so let's do one more trade on OptionRobot. So, okay, so USD pairings, what is it giving us? Euro USD. Okay, so on my settings, by the way, I'm only using Euro USD, GBP USD, AUD USD CAD, Trend MACD, Classic, blah 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 blah. Very simple. I don't find a need to really use any of the others, to be perfectly honest. Bubbly, bubbly. Okay, AUD USD just has a massive drop. Is that on put? Yes, it is. Put OptionRobot. Because I think that's going to... This is called countering. I think it's going to counter and start to drop. Counter trading. What was I going to say, Ben? No, I do 2 a day. But there wasn't one in the afternoon because I had to get my internet sorted out. That's why I couldn't do one on the on Tuesday either. $14 seconds. Two seconds. Oh, it was in the... Oh, fucking hell. I thought that blowing out the money then. Oi, oi, oi. God's sake. I'm getting myself a heart attack. Oh, I got such a cold. Right, let me mark one down. There we go. So that's 6 trades. 5 in the money. So we have... Okay, so I want to change my option. Okay, candles. We've done all that. How long does one webinar last? Around half an hour. So we've got about 5 minutes left. Alright, I'll probably deposit tomorrow morning and join you tomorrow afternoon and night then. There's only webinars on Tuesdays and Thursdays. If you guys, if all you lot want me to do a webinar tomorrow evening, I'll do a webinar tomorrow evening. That's not a problem. You just got, or tomorrow afternoon. You just got to tell me a time. What is the real difference in trading OptionRobot? Is it the percentage of each trade? And Umar Sheriff was in the money. Well done. Thank you. Fantastic. Well done, Umar. What is the real difference? OptionRobot. The only thing you can really do on OptionRobot, obviously you got the auto trade. You get to change what currency pairs show. You get to see what indicators it use. Just like on IQ Option, you have indicators that you can use here. RSI, MACD, everything like that, for example. And OptionRobot basically does all the hard work for you, so you can tick them here. I always have MACD and trend ticked. And OptionBot Pro, which is the one that you can do tomorrow as well. And this one obviously has its lifetime charts, and it also has the graph. But I think on OptionBot Pro, which is $250 minimum deposit, you don't get this. You do not get this here. You just get you get the trends, the news. You get the economic calendar, which is down here, and you get this big graph. If you want everything, I believe it's 500 minimum deposit. So Nick wants same time tomorrow. Grant, do you want same time tomorrow as well? Let me just write this down in my notebook, guys. Hang on a minute. Because I don't usually do webinars on a Friday because the markets are closing. So we might not be able to place any trades, but maybe we'll be able to have a look. So, actually, fucking hell, I've got to write it down on my phone because I've got to do it at thingy, so I'd be in. Right, actually, no, I'll write it down and I'll rip off the page. So we need, so 7, no, it was 6 o'clock, so 6 p.m. webinar, invite. Grant, Umar, Ben. Ben, you'd have to get set up with Simon though to be part of this one because you've had your free one. Grant, okay, 6 is good. Would everyone be okay with 6 p.m. GMT UK time? Okay, OptionBot Pro is 250, sorry. What was I going to say? OptionBot Pro is 250, but it won't look exactly like the one you're seeing on my screen. Basically, you'll have all this around the outside. You have the economic calendar and the market, which is here. You'll have the trends, which is not doing anything now because I haven't done anything to my settings. You'll have the graph. And then you'll have your broker platform here with their graph intertwined with the option, intertwined with the OptionBot Pro graph here. I don't think you get this though, or you might get this, but you just don't have the sniper trades. I'm not 110% sure. No worry, Ali. Don't worry. There will be a webinar on Tuesday. Do not panic. Don't worry about that. Maybe on Monday I'll do a surprise webinar, I'm not sure. But guys, that's going to be it from me. We reached the half-an-hour mark now. We're on, and yes, I've got to go and just relax, enjoy the rest of my afternoon because I am absolutely knackered. So let's have a look. Blah, blah, blah. How did everyone get on today? Let's have a look. So Grant managed to win $315 in the money. Fantastic. I believe Umar got one trade in the money as well when he did one. Umar got 2 out of 3 trades in the money on OptionRobot. Fantastic. Okay, guys, fantastic. Congratulations. Congratulations, everyone. I hope you guys enjoyed the webinar. I'm very happy that everyone's making money because I most certainly am very, very happy that everyone's making money as well. And I'm even more happy that I'm making money at the same time. So, excellent. Anyway, guys, I'm going to head off and relax and chill. I suggest everyone go and relax, enjoy themselves, that everyone's earned a bit of money. Guys, I'll see you lot in the next webinar. Thank you. Take care. Bye-bye.